Hi everyone, Happy Kids here, and today I got a very special video for you. To celebrate 10 subscribers, we're gonna be opening 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Today we're going to be opening 12 Kinder Surprise eggs. You guys ready for this? This is going to be insane. We're going to get so much stuff. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so now we're going to open the first egg. Alright, take off the packet. We've got a nice little chocolate egg here. Now, if you are in the United States of America, which, some of you are, okay, you can't have these, which I'm sorry. Alright, but so let's open it, and wow, okay, so we got this little thing. Alright, let's move that chocolate aside, I'll be eating that later. Now let's see what's in this. But guys, oh my god, wow, look at it. Wow, guys, we got this finger puppet butterfly now. The cool thing with these is if you grab it and you can put your finger and you can pretend it's a real butterfly. Wow, oh my god, guys, this is so cool. I'm so happy I got this Kinder Surprise egg. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, guys, we got the second Kinder Surprise egg. Okay, let's do this. Well, this one seems a bit trickier to open. Oop. You're peeling off the foil, yeah. And now we got a chocolate egg. Nice. Alright, so now let's open this up. And we've got another one of these pods. Oh yeah. Right now, I wonder what's inside this. This is a pink one, so, for all your girls out there, this is gonna be, these ones are the ones for you. Let's open it and, let's see what we get. This one's different. Let's see what this is. So it looks like we got this amazing butterfly ring. Wow, if I was a lot younger and a girl, I would love this. This thing is so pretty, my god. On to the third egg now. So let's open this up. Alright, break it open. And here we got another pod. Now, I don't know what's inside any of these, so let's crack it open. And wow, that went flying so far. It's fallen behind my table. I'm gonna go grab that. Look, guys, we got this chipmunk ring. We're getting a lot of rings today, aren't we? Alright, I'm gonna do a blue egg this time. Oop, camera's fallen. Alright, so we open this up. Make sure to clean up the rubbish, guys. Put them in the bin. Alright. Open it up. Let's push this chocolate away from here. Alright. Now we gotta find out what's in this egg. Whoop. Wow, okay. This looks cool. I wonder what this is. So what you do with this guy is you can pull this back and put a string, and you can tie the string, and then what you can do with that is, you put that on something like a bag. Wow, that is, so creative. I never would have thought to do that. Alright, we've got another pink egg here. Let's see what's inside. Oop, I broke the chocolate. Whoopsies. Alright. Break her open. Now, kids, never eat the foil, okay? All the plastic. It's all bad for you. Alright, so now we're going to open this up. Oh, okay, this looks cool so far. Ah, we got 2 more rings. Nice. And we got this lovely ring, which has a star on it. I love it. And we got this ring, which has a moon on it. That's nice. And put that over there. Okay, so now we're going to open one of these white eggs. Now, I don't know what type of toy this is going to happen, so this is going to be really interesting. And I was only able to buy 2 of these, so... Alright, let's open her up. Alright, so we got one of these yellow eggs as usual. Now, guys, what do you think is inside this? I have no clue. I am really hoping that this is something that I like. Alright. See what's in it. It feels rather heavy, so alright, let's do this. Ooh, this looks, wow, that's a lot of pieces. Now, just looking from this, it looks like, let me put this together. Alright, so what we got is this really long scooter here, which you can put in your finger and do some cool tricks with. Wow. I really was not expecting this. Alright, now this is the last pink Kinder Egg that we have. So let's open it. Alright, so, whoopsie. Don't want to lose that. Alright, so we've got the last pink Kinder Egg. Let's open this and see what's in it. Oop, this one's harder to open. Wow. If it gets a bit tricky, ask your parents. I'm sure they'll do it for you. Alright. Boom. Another milk egg. Open this up. And, oop. Wow. Okay, cool. Now, I'm thinking this is going to be another ring. Alright, that's just what I think it is, but I cannot be sure. And, oop. It fell everywhere. So it's another one of these rings, but it's a bear. Wow, so cool. Alright, so now all I've got is these blue eggs remaining. Let's open them up. Now there weren't that many, there were a lot of these blue eggs at the store, so I don't know if what's inside them is as good, but I guess we're about to find out, aren't we? They seem a bit harder to open. And is this it's a bit darker to me, the yellow egg that's in the egg. There's an egg and an egg. Alright. And, ooh, what's in here? It's another one of these guys. It's the Joker. So this is another one of these things you can pull on the back just here. Alright. And his arms widen, and you can use this string here to attach them to places. Cool. It's in this blue egg. Alright, do the same as usual. Take off the foil. Break the egg open. Egg goes everywhere. Oh, now I'm gonna have to clean up my desk. Oh well. Let's move that out of the way. Now, I just have a suspicion, but I think it's gonna be another one of these things. The things you can put in your bag. Now, here is a list of them. Alright, I am really hoping for Batman, because I think that he's the coolest. And let's see who it is. Oh, it's another one of the Flash. Cool. So again, I've already seen this. You can put them on your bag, and it's super fun. Alright, here's our second last Kinder Egg. So, let's go open this. Whoop. Alright. Egg. Now, we do this if you squeeze here at the edges. Okay, it should just split in half. If you do it just right. Now make sure to be careful so you don't be like me and you get egg all over your table, which melts. Alright. Come on, please be Batman, please be Batman. And, it's another one of the Joker. Oh well, again, you've seen this guy already. He's still pretty cool. Alright, I don't mind having a few more. I can give some to people. Alright. Alright, guys. Here is the last blue egg. I am really hoping I get Batman. Batman would be super fun to have in this egg. Like, I would just love it. I'd put in my bag. Alright. Here's the pod. Or egg. Alright, come on, please be Batman. Please be Batman, and ooh, it's Wonder Woman. Oh, she's still pretty cool. Her movie is really fun. I don't know if you kids should watch it maybe when you're a bit older, but still, I'd recommend it. Alright, guys, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. The last Kinder Surprise Egg of this video. Alright, this is the 12th Kinder Surprise Egg. Let's see what's in it. Alright, we take it off. We bust her open. Okay, we get a lot more chocolate. No, don't eat this much chocolate, kids. It's okay, having a small bit's fun, but having a lot is really bad for you. Alright, let's see what's in it. I have no idea. What? So I had no idea what these are, but guys, I think I've figured it out. So I'm pretty sure if you just blow on them, see, they spin like that. Isn't that so cool? I really wasn't expecting it. Okay, I was expecting probably another one of these, but you know, these are pretty cool. These are really fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, you people watching, that's it for this video. This is what we got from the eggs. I'm really satisfied. That's all the mess. I'm gonna have to clean up all of this later. It is like really gonna suck, but yeah, it's like all this is gonna have to be cleaned up. It's yeah, I don't enjoy that, but all this cool stuff I think was really fun, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. It will probably be Johnny 10 minutes.